There are three types of markups that can be created. The first is the picture markup. Selecting this option opens a file explorer to navigate to and open an image file of any common image file type, including bitmap, JPEG, PNG, and GIF, as shown. Once the desired image file is found, confirm it with Open. While preparing to apply a new markup to the model, a secondary interface appears to help in mapping the image onto the model. Firstly, there is a new menu titled Projection Type, which controls whether the image should be applied directly onto the model as shown, using a straight projection, or if it should be curved and stretched in 3 dimensions to wrap around the surface of the model. Choosing a wraparound projection offers 3 options. The picture can either keep its width, which will prevent any stretching of the image data, or it can be wrapped either 180 or 360 degrees, in which case the image will be stretched or contracted horizontally from its current shape to achieve either 180 or 360 degree coverage. To control where on the surface of the model the markup will be applied, there are several additional tools. The green nodes at the corners of the image control the scale of the image, while the green cross arrows control the position on the screen. When applying markups, the way that the markup image and the model appear on the screen is what determines how the markup gets applied. Therefore, zooming in or out and panning the camera view can accomplish all the same things as the green controls. Similarly, changing the orientation of the markup is done instead by changing the orientation of the model, using either the standard views or by freely rotating the view with the cursor. There are 2 additional options for controlling the rotation of a model in markup mode. First is Select Front Surface, shown here, which orients the camera view to face directly toward a selected face. Projecting markups directly onto the targeted face, rather than projecting them from an oblique angle, prevents them from being unnecessarily stretched or distorted. The second additional control is called Align Edge, shown here, which allows the selection of an edge and then rotates the view to align that edge with either the vertical or the horizontal, whichever is closer. This option is useful for aligning markups such that the edge sits along a natural line in the model's geometry. Once the markup has been positioned as desired, select Apply to add the picture markup to the model. Next, we'll gain finer control over how markups are applied while adding a few text markups.